Welcome to Hustle Tech University. If you're a beginning content creator and you're looking for a free video editor, please let us introduce you to Shotcut. Hustle Tech University back at you with another one. If you're looking for more tech and software tutorials, do yourself a favor. Right this minute. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you're a beginning YouTube content creator and you're looking for a free video editing software, let us introduce you to Shotcut. All gas, no brakes. Keep going in.
Okay, the first thing you want to do is go to your web browser and type in Shotcut. Shotcut download will appear. Once you go down to Shotcut and select that, this screen will pop up right here, and then you install Shotcut through either one of these downloads. Once you have Shotcut downloaded, you just go to where you have it saved and open it up. Okay, when you open up Shotcut, this is the screen that's going to appear. There are newer versions of Shotcut. I have a previous version. If there are new updates available, Shotcut will notify you when you open up the system. Now we're just going to go to the top here. We're going to give it a name. We're going to call it Shotcut Tutorial 2. Go down here to start. Now this is the main screen of Shotcut. This is your preview window here, and this area down here is where you create and edit your videos. Now the preview window, this acts just like a display on a cassette deck or a CD player. The buttons are self-explanatory. This is just going to be a short tutorial. It's not going to be a full masterclass. That will be available later. So this right here is your player. It acts just like a CD player or a cassette deck. The next step we want to do is we want to go down here and create a video track. And I also want to have a soundtrack to this video. So we also going to go down here and add an audio track. This area right here is where we're going to build our video. So next step that we want to do is to go to open file and find a video clip wherever you have information saved. I'm just going to use a couple pictures and video clips that I have. I'm just going to use a couple pictures and video clips that I already have. That is a photo. So we're going to take that photo and drag it right into the video part of the screen. I'm going to take one more. Let's grab something else. I'm going to use that one. This is also a thumbnail for my other YouTube channel. Shout out to Uncle Daddy Soul Food. If you're interested in authentic homemade soul food recipes, I suggest you check out my other channel on YouTube, Uncle Daddy Soul Food and Adult Beverages. Back to the tutorial. This is another photo. I'm just going to left click and drag it down next to my other photo. And there it is. The next thing we want to do is I'm going to add a video clip. Let's see if we go in here and find something that I could use here. Something that I could use. We're going to use this. Okay, this is the video footage from one of my previous videos. It is 1 minute and 16 seconds long. Let's say I don't want to use the entirety of this clip. You could go right over here to the right hand side and decrease the length of the clip. We're going to take it from the left hand side and do that as well. And we're going to just shorten this clip that was 1 minute and 16 seconds down to I think about 13. We have drag the video clip down into the video editor. The next thing we want to, if we just play it like this, it's going to play the picture, have a space, play the picture, have a space again, and then play the video. To allow these to flow seamlessly, you just want to left click and drag and connect them. Now when we play, it's going to go directly from this picture to our actual video clip. Let's take a look. And that's the end of the video. Okay, now I'm going to show you a few tricks here. Now, when you go directly from one picture to another, that's called a hard cut. Let's say I want to create like a transition, so the video seems to flow a little bit more seamlessly. So you take the second picture, left click, instead of just connecting it, drag it slowly over. Hold on one second. Drag it slowly over the other photo. Let go of the button. Now this area right here is what we just created. It's called a transition. Now watch how these two pictures glide together with the transition installed. There's a small dissolve function between these two clips. Let's play it again so you can check it out. Let's get the video editor here right before it changes. That is called a dissolve. Now if you want another type of transition, all we have to do is select left click the actual transition itself, go to properties, go up to the top here. Now these are all the different types of transitions. You can go in and play with them. They do a number of things. Let's just try this one right here. Now watch the new selection of this transition right here. And that's how you add a transition to your video footage to make it seamlessly flow together. All right, the next step we want to do, let's say I want to add a soundtrack to this video, this little video clip that we have here. Scroll up to the top to open file, or wherever you have your music saved. I think I have them under downloads. And we're going to go with this one. Open. This is the soundtrack music in the player. Now my video, as you can tell, is very short, but let's go ahead and left click and drag it into the audio portion of the track. The audio portion of the track. Left click, release. Okay, our video is 21 seconds long. So I want to cut the music right at the end. The soundtrack is selected. So we're going to go over here to split playhead. It works exactly for the audio track as it does for the video track. So right where I have my player cursor here, I split the audio track in half. Now I'm just going to move this to the side. Left click to select it. Right click and delete. Now this is my full video.
it up in the back. I didn't want to heat up the crock pot to sample.
This is just a short tutorial to get you started. I will be doing a master class video, but I need you guys' input. What would you like for me to go over in Shotcut? Shotcut can do many different things, and there's I want to know what would make it easy for you guys to go ahead and jump right in, download it, and get started editing your videos. What would you like for me to cover in future tutorials? So please leave that information in the comment section below. Okay, we got our little video made up. The next thing we want to do is to export it. Now to export it, we go over here to export, scroll over here to the left to YouTube. Now the YouTube selection will allow us to upload our video to many different platforms such as Instagram or TikTok. YouTube is the basis of what those video clips must be, and if they're acceptable for YouTube, then they're probably acceptable for Instagram or TikTok as well, versus the soundtrack that you have, because there may be some copyright issues. So once you're ready to upload your video into a format that can be accepted by TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, we're just going to go down here to export file. It's going to ask us to name the file. It came up with the Shotcut tutorial 2, but I'm going to go final footage. Select save. And if you can see up here in the upper right hand corner, it is going to render this video footage into an acceptable MP4 file that can be shared across multiple platforms. It's a pretty short video, so it probably isn't going to take very long. It's already at about 50%, so we got another maybe minute or so. We are up to 95% and we are almost complete. Alrighty, our footage has been rendered into an MP4 file. Now we can go back and retrieve it and upload it to any of the platforms that we would like, such as TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, etc.
I will be producing a Shotcut masterclass in the near future. Shotcut is an amazing free video editor with tons and tons of effects and filters and things of that nature. It would take me hours to produce a video for everybody. I would like to know from the average content creator, what would you like to know to get from the basics to producing content on a daily basis and uploading it to various platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, etc. Please leave your comments in the comment section below. Are you looking for quality studio equipment for your YouTube channel? Please research the links that we provide in the video description box below, and we'll plug you in. It costs you absolutely nothing extra, and our channel may receive a tiny percentage of that transaction only if you make a purchase. We appreciate it. I appreciate you hanging out with Hustle Tech University until the end of today's video. If you haven't already done so, and I don't know why, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, this is Hustle Tech University. My name is Jesus CAIN. Eat, grind, rewind. Until next video, deuces.